Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. This is me, your teacher, Miss Samreen Haroon. How are you all, my dear children? I hope you all are fine. My dear children, today we are going to write the translation of second kalma in our copy. Okay, right? So please take out your copy. Before writing the translation, you have to make the title page in your copy, and this is the title page, second kalma translation. I know everyone knows the name of second kalma. Yes, kalma shahadat. Yes, and the first kalma name is kalma tayyiba, and the second kalma name is kalma shahadat. So you have to make the title page of second kalma, and then turn the page. Now, this is in a new page that you have to write the translation. So, before starting the translation, you have to mention the date, and today is 24th August 2021, right? Today is 24th of August and day is Tuesday, right? After mention the date and day, make the heading, and the heading name is translation. You have to make the heading. Okay, heading में आपने क्या लिखना है? Translation. After making the heading, then you have to write. Okay, now what you have to write? Read with me. I do bear witness that there is no God except Allah. मैं गवाही देती हूँ या देता हूँ कि अल्लाह के सिवा कोई माबूद नहीं, अल्लाह एक है। ठीक है, कोई भी अल्लाह के सिवा कोई माबूद नहीं, अल्लाह एक है। हु इज वन, जो कि एक है। ठीक है, हु हैज नो पार्टनर, उसका कोई शरीक नहीं है। ओके, हु हैज नो पार्टनर। एंड I do bear witness that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his servant and his messenger, right? और मैं गवाही देता हूँ या देती हूँ कि मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम उसके बंदे हैं और उसके पैगंबर हैं, राइट? सर्वेंट मीन बंदे एंड मैसेंजर मीन पैगंबर, नबी या रसूल. Okay, so my dear children, today you have to make the title page of second kalma, and then you have to write the translation in your copy. So this is your homework. So my dear children, when you have to finish the video, when you watch your video, so go to the comments box and write your name in class. Okay, and give this the like also. Okay, my dear children, take care and Allah Hafiz.